Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to Love It Alex TV. I'm here again. If you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that notification bell whenever I just upload. You will just be the first person to notify. If you have subscribed to Love It Alex TV before, God bless you. So in today, I just have a story to say. A story of a little boy. I don't know, in this world, what this world is really turning to. It's just turning into something else that I could not understand. How can somebody who just give birth to a child also destroy the life of that child by itself? I don't know what this world is really turning to. I don't know. So let's go. Let me just tell you the topic, about this story. This story is about a boy, a little boy of 5 years old. No, the boy is 25 years old, but then it was 5 years old. So this boy, he lost his dad when he was 5 years old. He lost his dad when he was 5 years old. So when he lost his dad, you can't believe that your own mom, biological mother, your mother, started having fun with your own son. I asked, when this thing started, you can't believe that age of 5 years old, 5 years old boy, 5 years old. He was 5 years old when the mother started it. It started disturbing this boy. This boy don't know what is don't know all those things. Just still a little boy. Still a little boy. He's just growing up. So this boy, when he lost his dad, he started staying with his mom. So he and his mom, they was together. They used to live. He lived with his mom. He grew up with his mom. His mom is the one that take care of him. He's the one that take care of him. Could you imagine that as this boy was growing up, that this woman was having fun with young child, with his own son. So when he was started having fun with this boy started growing up with it, up to 25 years old now. And it started when he was 5 years old. 5 years old. And the mother is 56 years. 56 years. He was sleeping with his own son of 25 years old. This world, I don't know. I don't really know what this world have turned into. I don't really know. It's still just making me to wonder sometimes. You understand? A woman, a child, you just gave birth to your own child. You also decided to spoil the life of that boy. You can't believe that. This story, this thing I'm still telling you, it have not ended yet. So right now, this boy said this story, call me and tell me about this story. And he don't really know how he's going to put our hand to this. He said because, he always have feeling for his mother. He said he have already developed a feeling to his mother. He don't have feeling to any woman at all, except his mother. Say, I love my mom. I love my mom. I begin to wonder. You understand? So this boy called me. Said I should bring it. I said I should say this story about this is the story and what really happened to him when he was a little child, and right now he's regretting it and he don't really know what to do, and he just grew up with it and he don't even know how he's going to put a hand to this. You understand? You don't know how is he going to put her hand to this. A child of 5 years old started having fun. Mother was just teaching him. Say mother was just teaching him when he was little, just like that. Now up to 8 years, like that 10 years. Before you know it, now 25 years old. Until now, he's still living with his mother. Still living with his mother, and the mother, I said the mother will not allow him to rest. So every time, say himself is tired. This little boy, this boy right now is not a big boy. Well, then he was 5 years old. But right now, when he wise up and know that, he said what he himself is doing, it's not good, but he don't know how is he going to put a hand to this. He don't really know how is he going to put a hand to this, and he don't know what to really do. You understand? He said the worst part of the thing is that he don't have any feeling in another woman. Only the feeling you will have just for your own mother. You only have feeling for your mother. He said he will just be having feeling for your mom. Have you seen a thing like that before? My goodness. They say what the person never see for this life, you never work carry sure. I don't know, this kind of things is really happen. I don't know what this word is turned into. He was having fun with his own son, biological son. It's not even stepson or whatever. Son that you put in yours. Just saying it that you don't know what to do. That every time, up till now that we are still speaking right now, a mother is still sleeping with her own son. Mother is still sleeping with her own son. This boy now is 25 years old, but he's still doing it with his mother. Said they don't know what to do. And also, this boy, you only have feeling for your biological mother. He have feeling for your biological mother. He said when he was doing it, you know, when you grow up with something, you get used to that thing that you grew up with. You understand? So when he grew up with it, he now get used to this his mother. Not get used to the things that his mother is doing to him. Imagine, mother was just saying that, as in, say, mother said to him that he's the perfect one, and beside exactly how a father used to do it for her. That is why his son is doing this for her. Imagine. He said exactly the way your father used to do it. You are a true son of your father. Just like that, you say mother normally praise him whenever he do it. You see, and every time, every day, and he don't know what to do. He don't know what to do. He said when he was a kid, his mother would just make him too drunk. Started giving drink to his son. Right from 5 years old, though, he will give drink. The small boy will drink. After when he drink, he will not be able to know what to do again. As in, you know when someone is drunk, you can't be able to know the things that is happening. So the boy will just get drunk. The little boy, if he get drunk, he will just sleep off. So just like that, mother will started doing it just like that. That is how you grow up to make all these things. Right now, he's only in love with his mother. I think this boy needs prayer. That's for my own opinion. That's for my own opinion. I think he needs prayer. It's only God that will set him free from all this spell. You understand? It's only God. Because I've never seen a thing like this. You understand? I never see a thing like this. I didn't think that this thing is happening. When I heard it, hasn't like, for real, what are you saying? Do you know what you are saying? Your mother? I say, yes. So, my beloved sisters and my brother, please, even though you are a little boy or a little girl, you see what your father is doing to you or what your mother is doing to you, say it out to the public. Okay, that is no good. It's not good. It's very, very bad. You understand? Only what this boy really need right now is prayer. Because he can't concentrate anywhere. He can't concentrate anymore. All he just know how to do is a bad eye in murder. It's just a bat in murder. Do you understand? I ask, if you don't have anyone like to call your own so that you'll be forgetting about your mother, just give a little advice that I can give to this person. When he tell me about his story, life story, how he become, how this thing come, how everything happening to him. But right now I don't know what to do. When he tell me about this story, I was so shocked. I was so shocked because I never believed that this thing is existing. I was shocked. I shut off words. My people, I beg, anything, when any opinion, anything that you have to say, you can leave your comment down below. Okay? Don't forget to leave your comment down below. I love you guys. I will leave you guys for now. Whatever you think, leave your comment down below. As you do that, may God bless you. So this is the story of this boy. So all you just need is prayer. For me, I said is prayer. I just said to him, he need a prayer. Please, whenever you also come across this video, may you also leave your comments, and whenever you also say, I think the person also is still following me up on my YouTube channel. So you will still see your comments, and you will see anything that you just leave there. Whenever any comment that you drop, the person also will read your comments. Okay? Thank you very much for listening to this and for watching this video. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. I will leave you guys for now. I love you guys. Bye. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up whenever you watch my video, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.